Hello. Welcome to my channel again today. I think this is the third clip I'm preparing for today. Today is on 23rd September 2021. And there is this opportunity that has just popped up on EURUSD. And I'm really thinking we should do an analysis of the same and see how, and wait to see if it will perform well. Uh, So let's jump into it. So I'm going to begin my analysis from the left as we proceed. So if you look from the left, the market is giving you lower lows and lower high. You can see this, lower lows, lower high. It pushes strongly to this point right here. Then we get another dip all the way to down there. So this is a characteristics of a downtrend market. From the previous clip, you should have known that, or you should have learned that if the market is going down, it's making lower lows and lower highs. Yes. Uh, right. So let's proceed. And also another thing you should have realized is that we have trend line confirmation. So let me write down the reasons. So number one, up here is we have uh, down downtrend market. Price is giving you lower lows and lower highs. Downtrend market. So we have lower low and lower high. Okay. So that, let me increase the font size. So that is our first reason. Then we look for another reason is that we have moving average confirmation. If you look at the moving average is an indicator used to show that the price is going down. And most of the time when price comes close to the indicator, this indicator tends to hold as a support or a resistance. In this scenario, you see the indicator tends to hold as resistance at this point. If you also look at this point, you realize that it held as a resistance. I can even scroll back, then you'll see that most of the time when price comes to the moving average, it will tend to hold as a resistance or a support. Look at this point here. It held as a resistance. If you look at this point, it held as a support. You see these points. So you see it's holding as a support on this scenario. So based on the same concept, if we watch carefully at this point, we can assume that this by the time price comes back to this moving average, we can anticipate it will hold as a resistance. So this brings in the second point, which is point number 2. Is we have moving average confirmation. That is our second reason. And also, if we throw in the Fibo, if you remember from the previous clips, if you never got a view of the previous clips, the link should be popping around on this chart, so you can go and check and see how we use it. We said that price, when in a trending market, either downwards or uptrend, price will tend to reach the Fibo 50 or 61.8, then it changes direction. So if I attach a Fibo at this point, I drag it from the highest point all the way to the lowest point down here, you should see that this area is Fibonacci 61.8. So this brings about the third reason, which is Fibo 61.8, right? Fibo, Fibo 61.8. below 51.8. So that is our third reason. Then we now jump to candlesticks, which is reason 4. So if you observe carefully at this point, the area I've put this yellow rectangle, you should see we have a shooting star, a very strong candlestick with a longer upper wing, extremely longer upper wing, and then it gets confirmed with a strong bearish candlestick. This is a confirmation that price might go down, and then it comes back. So if we look at this double combination or this pattern here, this one is a double top. So we have a reversal pattern, which is number 3. We have number 4. Number 4, we have potential reversal pattern, which is a double top, right? So that is our fourth reason. And then we look at the candlesticks. So we have a shooting star, then confirmation of the shooting star. If you consider all these 3 candlesticks here, this is an evening star. So we have some good candlestick here giving us indication that price might go down. Again, if you don't understand how to read candlestick, my academy is here to help you, and I'm really hoping that if you join me, that in 1 month's time you should be able to learn how to do these things. So reason number 5, we have candlestick confirmation. Reason number 5 is we have candle candlestick confirmation. That is our 5th reason. Then also we have an other reasons. Also we have another reason is that we have a trend line right here. Do you see this trend line? This trend line has been, let me change the color to color black. Okay, let's put it color red. So there is a trend line down here that has been broken and price has come to retest it. So we have a break and retest of a trend line. Reason number 6 is we have a break and retest of a trend line. Reason number 6 is we have a break and retest of a support. That is the correct word. So making it a potential resistance. Right. So that is our 6th reason. Also, another thing you could have observed is that we have a continuation pattern at this point. This is what we call a pennant. So it tells us that price might continue moving down. So what might be happening at this point is, just hold on. So what could be happening at this point is that price broke out of this continuation pattern, then it has come to retest it, and then possibly we might get another move down. So this is what I'm expecting, and I'm really, well, some hopes, yes. I'm really hoping that after all these concrete reasons, price might go down. So I'm sending this signal to my WhatsApp group and my Telegram group and my Facebook page and also my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscription button, give us a like, and interact with us. Let us know what you think. That should be it for now. Thank you.